Good day guys, welcome back to another video with Mr. Sa. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys on how to find the area of semicircles. Let's get right to it guys. So let's understand on how to find the area of a full circle. So area of a full circle is pi r square. Now if you don't know how to find area of a full circle guys, make sure you check the link below. I'll leave it in the description. Now, if the area of a full circle is pi r square, the area of a half circle or semicircle will be what guys? Will be pi r square divided by 2. Doesn't make sense guys? Pi r square divided by 2. Now, let's substitute the values here. So we have pi r square divided by 2 is our formula. Now, we know that the radius is 3 centimeters. So what do we have? We have pi times 3 square divided by 2, right guys? Pi times 3 square divided by 2. Now we know that 3 square is equal to 3 times 3, which is 9. Now here is where many of my students make mistakes. Make sure you don't make the same mistake. 3 square, sometimes you guys write as 3 times 2, which is 6, which will be incorrect. Alright, so make sure you guys don't make that mistake. So what we have here guys, we have pi times 9 divided by 2, right? Pi times 9 divided by 2. Now, in some cases, guys, you can just leave it in terms of pi, or in some cases, you have to substitute the value of pi and then find the answer. Now, what will we have here, guys? So, pi times 9 will give us, so we have 3.14 multiplied with 9, right? Which is going to give us 9 times 4 is 36, 6, 3, right? 9 times 1 plus 3 is 12, 2, 1, and this will give us 928. 9, 3 plus 1 is going to give us 28. Now, two decimal places, so we're going to go 2, which is going to give us 28.26 divided by 2, right guys? And 28.26 divided by 2 is going to give us 14.13 centimeters square. Again, if you don't know how to divide or multiply decimals, guys, make sure you check my videos on dividing or multiplying decimals. Now, make sure you don't skip the next part, guys. And the next part is going to be quite different to the first question, as what we have been given is we have been given the diameter. Now, when we find the area of circles of semicircles, we always need to know the radius. Now we know the radius is the diameter divided by 2, right guys? In this question, we know the diameter is 8. So what do we have? We have 8 divided by 2, which is going to give us 4 cm. Or in other words, the radius is going to be 4 cm. All right. Now let's substitute a value. So area is pi r squared divided by 2. Which is going to give us pi times 4 square divided by 2, right guys? Which is pi times 16 divided by 2. Now let's go and find the answer of pi times 16. So there are two ways on how you can do it. You can either take 3.14 right here. So you can take 3.14 multiply with 16. You get that answer and you can go ahead and divide it by 2, all right? Or the easier step, guys, is we know that 2 and 16 can simplify, right? 2 will change to 1, 16 will change to 8. So we can just do pi multiplied with 8 to get our answer. Now that will save you guys a lot of time, all right? So let's say we have 3.14 multiplied with 8. 8, 4, 32, 2, 3, and then 11, and then 25, right? It's going to give us 25.12. So the answer will be 25.12 centimeter square. Now, if you guys did not do this method, if you guys first multiplied with 16 and then divided by 2, the answer will still be the same. The only thing is that if you do this method, it will save you a little bit of time. All right, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, do not forget to click on that like button and comment below which type of questions you guys find difficult and which formula would you use in these kind of questions. Now, until next time, guys, have a nice day.